morning, I'm Patrick Linehan. We're about to go into specialty welding and fabricating in Syracuse, New York. Currently they're using some LineMate products as well as Surfox. They're also responsible for the Harley-Davidson spiral staircase that was done in Syracuse, New York at Performance Harley. They're also working on some stainless steel tables that are ultimately going to end up in places like Macy's, Victoria's Secrets, that type of thing. We'll see you in a minute. Good morning, I'm at Specialty Welding with Lorraine. She does a lot of the purchasing for Specialty Welding. Lorraine, where are these stainless steel tables going?
Eventually they're ending up in department stores.
Department stores such as?
Victoria's Secret, Macy's, the big ones.
The big ones, very nice. All stainless steel?
All stainless steel.
Very nice. Well, thank you very much for helping us out with our welter product. No problem. Motorcycle Shop, Performance Harley-Davidson of Syracuse, New York. What we're going to do is go inside and see some of the stainless steel railings at Specialty Welding and Fabricating. This is a stainless steel railing that Specialty Welding and Fab did using a lot of the LineMate products. Blendex, LineMate, Surfox. Came out very nice. This is the upper deck where they feature some of the bikes. A lot of stainless steel. Beautiful job. That's clean welds. Surfox help.